Yo, what up YouTube? It's a boy DJ 90 aka Mr Keys aka DJ 90 Keys. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Yeah guys, so today we are doing the third episode of the beat breakdown series, a series where guys I'm showing you how I made a certain beat, so we get it and we break it down into steps. What did I do in order to produce that kind of beat? So without any waste of time guys, let's get straight into the video. So on this beat right here, I started with this piano. It's an EP piano. Let me show you the plugin I used. This is the plugin I use. It's a Keyzone Classic. It's a free plugin. You can get it on Google. So the preset I'm using is basic electric piano. So this how it sound like. Yeah, that's how this piano sound like. So from there, after the piano, wait, let me do drums right now. I'll cover some of the stuff. So on the drums I have my kick right here. So this how my kick sound like. Yeah, so that's my kick. So from the kick I have this sound right here. It's a snare sound. So this how it sound like. After that snare I think I have this sound right here. I have this sound. It's another snare also. It's like I layered a snare on this one. So this is a second snare. It sounds like this. Yeah. So after that snare, what I did this sound here. It's a bongo drum. This is how it sounds like. Yeah. Okay guys, so after that one I did this sound here. It's a peg. This is how it sounds like. Yeah. So after that peg I have another sound also. Yeah guys, so after that peg I have my shaker right here. This is how my shaker sound like, because for you to kind of achieve Afrobeat you need a shaker, bro. Like you gotta have a shaker in there. So this is how my shaker sound like. Yeah. So let me play the drums, how the drums sound like with everything that I just showed you. So the drums sound like this. Yeah. So it's a vibe already. So from there I have, remember I showed you the piano. So from there I had this sound right here. It's another bongo drum, right? So this is how it sound like. Yeah, it just plays just like that. Then from there I have this sound right here. It's a French horn. It's a French horn. It's from Purity, I think. Yeah, it's from Purity. Yeah, it's Purity French horn. So you go to brass, then French horn. So this is how this sounds. This is a sound which is I did it on the intro. So it sounds like this. Yeah, but this sound does not go alone. I layered it with another sound also, which is pan flute. It's also a sound from Purity. So you go to wood, wind, and it's pan flute, right? So it sounds like this. Yeah. So these two sounds, these are the sounds which are responsible for the intro, right? Along with that piano. So let me play you this sound together, how they sound like after I layer them. They sound like this. Yeah, that's how they sound like. Then after there I have my strings right here. So for those who are following my videos, you know that I only use this type of string because it sounds good on this beat. So let me show you where I'm getting this string. It's from Purity. You go to strings and it's v dot ana string 2, right? So that's the string I'm always using. So this how the strings sound like. Yeah, that's how it sound like. So the chords are just the chords from the piano. It's just those basic chords, right? Then from there I have this piano also. I think it's it just plays once there and there, not all the time. It's just give that emotional feel, because this beat is more like emotional kind of beat, so it brings that, that emotional feeling in there. So this is it's Keyzone Classic, the plugin. So the preset is Keyzone piano. So this sound, it sound like. Yeah. Yeah, so I didn't do much. Sometimes simplicity is the key, guys, honestly. Sometimes keeping things simple is the best thing you can do to your beat. So what I have next is a diggy vibe. It's an African sound, right? It's more like marimba-ish sound, but not really marimba. It's a diggy vibe. So it's a sound from Purity, right? So you go to Purity, then bells and peg, and it's diggy vibe 3, right? So this is how it sound like. Yeah, in this beat I didn't do much of the things like in terms of instrumentals. I just played some few stuff, simple, as you can see. Simple, but the way they come together, it's crazy. They are so good. So from there I have this sound right here. It's a sound from FM7, I think. Yeah, it's FM7. So the preset is warm FM brass. It's a brass. It's FM7 brass. So this is how it sound like. Yeah. She talks on the coco. She want on the coco. Yeah. So guys, this sound, what it does is, even though this beat is an emotional beat, this sound, when it comes, it gives you that vibe. So even though it's emotional, let's vibe, let's dance a little bit, let's see those moves a little bit. So this sound, it makes you wanna dance, even though it's an emotional beat. So from there we have a bass guitar, we have a bass guitar. So this is how my bass sound like. Wait, let me show you where I got this bass from Ample Bass plugin, something like that. So let me show you. Yeah, it's this Ample Bass P 2 lead, right? So that's what it's a free plugin. You can get it on Chrome, on Google. It's free. You can get it in there. You just have to type those words and you will get it there. So this is how it sound like. So it sound like this. That's another bass. Then we have another section of the bass, because I didn't do one section, I did like several sections, so that it's not like repetitive. So it's kinda it's a bass, you have to feel as if it's happening live, right? So that's why I had to play so many of them. So this is another one, right? It sounds like this. Then from there I think I have another one also. So these notes, they're kind of the same, they change there and there, so this how this one sound like. Yeah, so that's that. Then from there I think that's the whole thing, right? So from those things I have my tag right now here. It's called DJ90 Speed. So once you hear this tag, you just know I'm the one who produced that beat, right? It sounds like this. Yeah, DJ90 Speed. So let me play this beat from the start. All what I've showed you, how it works with how it connects. So this is how it sounds like. Yeah guys, so that's how I made this kind of beat. It's a nice emotional vibe, so I guess that guys completes the 3rd episode of the beat breakdown series. Guys, thank you for watching the video. You can go ahead and support the channel. You can like, share, comment and subscribe. And guys, I'll see you into another video. I'm DJ90 and I'm out. Peace.